In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how can you use a scatter plot in Microsoft Excel. For this, you can see some data in our table. There is monthly sales and the product price and the cost and the profit. Here in scatter plot, there always need two types of data. Suppose there is two types of data, which is this is our cost and this is our profit. We are going to show a chart which indicates our cost and profit in scatter plot. Let's do it. First of all, we need to select this data. We are selecting cost and profit data. Then go to the insert tab. Here there is an option which is scatter plot. Click there. We are using first of them. You can use any of them, but we are using the first and simple one. Here you can see a chart has been arrived here. In the chart, you can see first column of your selected data will be in the x-axis. Here you can see that 20, 40, 60 and 140 is the costing, and on the other hand profit data will be on the y-axis. This is let's move on a data. Suppose this is our data which indicates cost is 120 and the profit is 60. Look here, you can see that cost is 120 and profit is 60. On the month of June, you can see that. This is how you can insert a scatter plot in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.